Hello everyone, welcome to MAYANK LAWHOLIC. In this video, we will be discussing the 2011 APO paper, and we have already discussed the two previous question papers of APO, that is of 2020 and 2015. It is my humble request, go into the description section. You will find the link of both the papers over there. Now let us proceed from the question number 1. Question number 1. Match list first with list second and select the correct answer by using the codes given below. List 1 is country and list second is capital. Capital of Belgium is Brussels, Romania, Bucharest, Brazil, Brasilia, and Congo, Brazzaville. Therefore, the correct answer will be option B. Again, the question is of match the following. List 1 is Harappan site and list second is location. Manda is in Jammu and Kashmir. Daimabad is in Maharashtra. Kalibangan in Rajasthan. Rakhigadi is in Haryana. This is one of the important question as per the context of history. The Harappan site and the location, also Indus Valley sites, always in most of the examination is asked. So make sure that you have read such kind of questions thoroughly. Question number 3. Rulers of which of the following dynasties issued coins made of lead? Correct answer is Satvahans. Satvahans, from the rulers of Satvahans dynasty, had issued coins which are made up of lead. Question number 4. The Jain council which made a final collection of scriptures. Question number 4. The Jain council which made a final collection of scriptures and reduced them to writings in the 5th-6th century was held at, options are Kundapura, Nalanda, Vallabhi, Vaishali. Correct answer is Vallabhi. Question number 5. Who was the founder of Vikramshila Vishwavidyalaya? Correct answer is Dharmpal. Dharmpal was the founder of Vikramshila Vishwavidyalaya. Question number 6. The Swaraj Party was founded by. It is very easy question. Swaraj Party was founded by Motilal Nehru. Question number 7. Who was responsible for the introduction of English as the official language of India? Options are Lord Macaulay, William Bentinck, Sir Charles Wood, Lord Dalhousie. Correct answer is Sir Charles Wood. Sir Charles Wood was responsible for the introduction of English as official language of India. Question number 8. Who first talked about the economic drain of India during the British rule? It is a very easy question and the correct answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji gave the theory of economic drain, in which he talked about how the money which should have been spent into India is not being spent in India but reaching to UK. Question number 9. Who among the following urged the British government to accept the responsibility of compulsory primary education? Options are Mahatma Gandhi, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Firoz Shah Mehta and Dadabhai Naoroji. Correct answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale is also associated with the organization, Servants of India organization, and he is also considered to be the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 10. Who was the founder of Deccan Sabha? Correct answer is M.G. Ranade. M.G. Ranade was the founder of Deccan Sabha. Question number 11. Who among the following was responsible for helping in enactment of Widow Remarriage Act? Options are Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Devendranath Tagore. Correct answer is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Question number 12. Who among the following founded India League in 1875? Options are Jagannath Shankar Seth, Babu Shishir Kumar Ghosh, G.S. Iyer, Firoz Shah Mehta. Correct answer is Babu Shishir Kumar Ghosh. He founded India League in 1875. Question number 13. What is the name of the national leader who became President, Speaker of the Central Legislative Assembly in 1925? Correct answer is Vittal Bhai Patel. Question number 14. Who is the author of A Survey of Indian History? Options are R.C. Mazumdar, D.D. Kosambi, K.M. Panikar, Vincent Smith. K.M. Panikar. R.C. Mazumdar has written a book related to the 1857 revolution. Question number 15. Which of the following sacred Buddhist places was situated on the river Nirjana? Options are Bodh Gaya, Kushinagar, Lumbini, Rishipatan. Correct answer is Bodh Gaya. Bodh Gaya is the Buddhist place situated on the river Niranjana. Which of the following Ashokan inscription describe the dispatch of religious missionaries to 5 Yavan kingdoms? Options are Rock Edict 3rd, Rock Edict 8th, Rock Edict 10th, Rock Edict 13th. Correct answer is Rock Edict 13th. Who excavated the Harappan site at Dholavira? Options are J.P. Joshi, S.R. Rao, R.S. Bisht, S.B. Lal. Correct answer is R.S. Bisht. Question number 18. Alternating current is converted into direct current by rectifier. Question number 19. Which of the following is a genetic disease? Options are beriberi, cancer, color blindness, filaria. Genetic disease, color blindness is the genetic disease. The speed of sound is maximum in options are solid, liquid, gas, vacuum. Correct answer is solids. In solids, the speed of sound will be maximum. Question number 21. Photosynthesis is the process in which light energy is converted into electrical energy, light energy is converted into chemical energy, chemical energy is converted into light energy, electrical energy is converted into light energy. Correct answer is light energy is converted into chemical energy. Question number 22. The chemical compound in the bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. Bleaching powder's chemical compound name is calcium oxychloride. The full form of CAT is computerized Excel tomography. Vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron, calcium, iodine, sodium. Vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron. Red color in tomato is due to lycopene. Such kind of questions are asked many times. Red color in tomato is due to, green color in chilies is due to. So you have to make through that you read these questions thoroughly, because it has been asked in various examinations of UPPCS and judiciary examination. Make sure you read such kind of questions carefully. Red color in tomato is due to lycopene. Question number 26. UNO has declared the year 2014 as the International Year of Cooperatives, International Year of Family Farming, International Year of Water Corporation, International Year of Reawakening. Correct answer is International Year of Family Farming. As per the current status, the United Nations General Assembly has declared the 2021 as the International Year of Peace and Trust, and also the International Year of Creative Economy for Sustainable Development, and also International Year of Fruits and Vegetables. So International Year for the Elimination of Child Labor in 2021. And for 2022, we have to know that United Nations General Assembly UNGA has declared the 2020 as International Year of Glass and International Year of Artisanal Fisheries and Aquaculture. So if 2021 is asked, I have mentioned about the 2021, and in 2022 also I have mentioned that there are United Nations General Assembly has declared 2022 as International Year of Glass and International Year of Artisanal Fisheries and Aquaculture. If a similar kind of question comes into the examination, you will be able to answer by knowing this. Malala Yousafzai, who has been in the news, belongs to Afghanistan, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Correct answer is Pakistan. Malala Yousafzai is a Nobel laureate. Question number 28. The Kanya Vidya Dhan Yojana launched by UP government is meant for girls who passed. This was related to the scheme of UP government. This question is now does not hold any validity because this Yojana is now stopped. Question number 29. The focal theme of 102nd session of Indian Science Congress to be held in Mumbai in January 2013 is Advancement of Science, Science and Technology for Human Development, Scientific Research and Agriculture, Technology for Space. Correct answer is Science and Technology for Development. This question 102nd Science Conference, which was held in Mumbai in January 2013, is asked. So if we have to know this question as per the current context, there was last 108th Indian Science Congress that was held in January 2021 in Pune, and the theme was Science and Technology for Sustainable Development with Women Empowerment. So it is very important to know the theme also and what was the edition of the science conference and where it was held. So the last edition was the 108th Indian Science Congress held in Pune in January 2021, and I am repeating the theme also, Science and Technology for Sustainable Development with Women Empowerment. Now let us proceed to question number 30. Present Finance Commission constituted by the Government of India is 15th Finance Commission as per the current context. A Finance Commission of India was set up under Article 280 of the Constitution. Its core responsibility is to evaluate the state of finances of the Union and state governments. And Chairman of Finance Commission of India at present is Shri N.K. Singh. So it is also the very important question that you know who is the Chairman of Finance Commission at present, because it has also been asked various times. Chairman of Finance Commission of India right now is Shri N.K. Singh. Question number 31. Sahitya Academy Language and Awardee Chandrakant Devatale. Correct answer is Hindi. Guneshwar Mushari. Correct answer is Bodo. Bodo is a language spoken in the region of Assam. Sachidanand. Correct answer is Malayalam. Ramji Thakura. Correct answer is Sanskrit. The given option B is the correct answer. A married man commits the offence of adultery if he has sexual intercourse with unmarried woman, married woman except his wife, any woman except his wife, unmarried woman without her consent. Correct answer is married woman except his wife. Question number 33. A and his 4 associates attempted to commit theft at the place of B and cause hurt to B. They were forced to retreat without collecting the booty because of stiff resistance by inmates. They are guilty of, options are dacoity. Question number 34. To preserve one's life is generally speaking a duty, but it may be the highest duty to sacrifice it. This observation was made in Queen versus Dudley by Stephens by Lord Denman, Lord Coleridge, Lord Action, Lord Justice Pollock. Correct answer is Lord Coleridge. Question number 35. Alice Munro, the winner of 2013 Nobel Prize Literature, belongs to Canada. As per the current context, in 2021, the Nobel Prize for Literature was given to Abdul Razak Gurnah, and he was the Tanzanian novelist, was awarded for his uncompromising and compassionate penetration of the effects of colonialism and the fate of the refugee in Gulf between cultures and continents. Question number 36. Who was given the Gyanpith Award for 2012? Correct answer is Ravori Bharadwaj. Gyanpith Award for 2022 has been given to eminent Assamese poet Nilomani Phukan. Was conferred the 56th Gyanpith Award. Question number 37. Rajiv Gandhi National Sadbhavna Award for the year 2013 was given to, correct answer is Ajmat Ali Khan. In 2013, it was given to Ajmat Ali Khan. Rajiv Gandhi National Sadbhavna Award. It is given for outstanding contribution towards promotion of communal harmony and national integration and peace. In 2018, it was last awarded to Gopal Krishna Gandhi. Question number 38. Who among the following has become the 30th chess grandmaster of India? Correct answer is Vidil Santosh Gujarati. Now India has total about 73 grandmasters, and latest is 71st Sankalp Gupta and 72nd is Mitrabha Guha. Now India total has 73 grandmaster in chess, and first Indian women grandmaster in chess was Subramanyam Vijayalakshmi, and youngest Indian chess grandmaster was Gurkesh Vishwanathan Anand. He was the first Indian grandmaster of chess. Okay, so the latest, if we have to note, there are total 73 grandmaster in chess, and 72nd is Mitrabha Guha. Question number 39. The tax on import and export of good is known as income tax, custom duty, trade tax, excise duty. Correct answer is custom duty. Question number 40. The Lok Sabha Secretariat comes under the direct supervision of Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, President of India, Lok Sabha Speaker. Correct answer is Lok Sabha Speaker. Question number 41. What is the number of language in the 8th schedule after 92nd amendment to the Constitution? Correct answer is 22. There are 22 official languages in India. And one more thing we have to be aware about, Hindi is not a national language. Hindi is the official language of India. So there are official languages which is given the 8th schedule, and there are 22 official languages. Question number 42. Which one of the following countries is not a landlocked country? Options are Armenia, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Laos. Correct answer is Georgia. Georgia is not a landlocked country. Landlocked country is a country which from every side is surrounded by land, no water bodies in the boundary area. So if any country which is surrounded by land from all the sides is known as landlocked country. Question number 43. Who among the following elect the Vice President of India? Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. Options are members of Lok Sabha, members of Rajya Sabha, members of Legislative Assembly. Correct answer is member of Lok Sabha and member of Rajya Sabha. Members of Legislative Assemblies do not elect the Vice President of India, though they participate in the President of India election. Correct answer is 1 and 2. The primary function of Finance Commission of India is to, this we have already discussed, but again, the primary function of Finance Commission is to make recommendations regarding distribution of taxes between center and states. Question number 45. The 91st Amendment to the Constitution pertains to Panchayati Raj, number of ministers in the Council of Ministers, election petitions, coalition government. Correct answer is number of ministers in the Council of Ministers. Question number 46. The Governor of a state does not appoint the Chief Minister, members of the State Public Service Commission, judges of the High Court, Advocate General. Correct answer is judges of High Court. Judges of High Court are not appointed by the Governor. Question number 47. The 79th Amendment to the Indian Constitution relates to center-state relations, establishment of two political parties, fundamental rights, reservation for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies. Correct answer is option D, that is reservation for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies. The 79th amendment in the Indian constitution relates to. Question number 48. Which one of the following river does not form delta? Options are Mahanadi, Krishna, Narmada, Godavari. Narmada is the river which does not form the delta. Other rivers like Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari, they form the delta. Question number 49. Which country is the largest producer of steel in the world? In 2013, at that time which question paper was asked, was China, but still the correct answer is China. China is the largest producer of steel in the world. Now let us proceed to question number 50. The correct sequence of the following countries in terms of total population in descending order is, options are Brazil, Pakistan, Indonesia, Nigeria, Pakistan, Indonesia, Nigeria, Brazil, Indonesia, Pakistan, Brazil, Nigeria, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Nigeria. Correct answer is option D. It is the correct sequence of countries in terms of total population and descending order. Question number 51. Which of the following countries does not come within the group of Balkans? Options are Greece, Croatia, Hungary, Albania. Correct answer is Hungary. Hungary doesn't come into the categories of Balkans. Other countries, Greece, Croatia and Albania, comes in the group of Balkans. The longest road tunnel in the world is located in, correct answer is Norway. The Norway 24.5 Lardell tunnel is the longest road tunnel in the world. Whereas in India, if we talk about the longest road tunnel in India, Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee tunnel in Jammu and Kashmir is the longest road tunnel, and the longest high altitude tunnel is Atal Road tunnel in Himachal Pradesh. Question number 53. Which one of the following removed one day from its calendar and modified its standard time in December 2011? Correct answer is Samoa. Match list first and list second. Reg versus Govinda. Correct answer is murder. In this case, the section 299 and section 300 was discussed. State of Maharashtra versus MH George. MH George is not related here, was related to mens rea. Mehboob Shah versus Emperor. It is very easy. It is related to common intention. And McNaughton case, we are already aware, is related to insanity. Therefore, the correct option will be option C. Question number 55. Against which of the following offences the right of private defence of property extend to voluntary causing of death? Options are theft, criminal misappropriation of property, robbery, criminal trespass. It's very easy. Correct answer is correct answer is robbery. In robbery, the right to defence of property extend to voluntary causing death is provided. Question number 56. A and B plan to murder C next day. They are guilty of the offence of criminal conspiracy. Question number 57. Bride burning has been made as an offence under IPC in which section? Correct answer is section 304B of IPC. Question number 58. A police officer without warrant apprehends Z who has committed murder. A has committed the offence of, correct answer is no offence. Question number 59. Which of the following is a kind of punishment under section 53 of IPC? Options are whipping, servitude, fine, transportation. Correct answer is fine. Question number 60. An offence against property may be, options are wrongful confinement, criminal breach of trust, defamation, public nuisance. Correct answer is criminal breach of trust. Criminal breach of trust is provided in section 405 of IPC. Question number 61. In crimes, as in other things, they also serve who only stand and wait was held in Mehboob Shah versus Emperor, Rishabh Dev Pandey versus State of UP, Barendra Kumar Ghosh versus Emperor, and Kripal Singh versus State of UP. The correct answer is Barendra Kumar Ghosh versus Emperor. Lord Summer has said this statement. They also serve who stand and wait. Question number 62. Which section of IPC deals with the voluntary intoxication? Correct answer is section 86. Section 86 talks about the voluntary intoxication. Question number 63. A takes up a sting, saying to B, I will giving you a beating. Point out which of the offence, if any, mentioned below has been committed by A. Criminal intimidation, assault, no offence, attempt to commit hurt. Correct answer is option B, that is assault. Question number 64. Nothing is an offence which is done by a person who at the time of doing it by reason of unsoundness of mind is incapable of knowing the nature of the act. Reason, mistake of fact is a good defence and mistake of law is no defence. In question number 64, both the statements are true. They both are true, but they do not form the correct explanation of each other. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Question number 65. The maxim voluntary non-fit injuria has been incorporated in which section of IPC? Correct answer is section 87. Section 87 talks about act not intended and not known to be likely to cause death or grievous death, hurt done by consent. Now proceed to question number 66. Under which section of IPC kidnapping for ransom is provided? Correct answer is section 364A. Question number 68. Which one of the following is included under the term district superintendent of police? Options are joint or additional district superintendent, deputy district superintendent, divisional district superintendent, none of the above. Correct answer is joint or additional district superintendent. Question number 69. Under the Police Act 1861, the term property does not include movable property, money, immovable property, valuable property. Correct answer is option C, that is immovable property. Question number 70. Inquest, postmortem, examination and treatment of wounded persons are provided in which paragraph of UP Police Regulations? Correct answer is para 129 to para 146. Question number 71. As per the paragraph 103 of UP Police Regulations, who is responsible by section 154 and 155 clause 1 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 for the correct recording of all reports of crimes, whether cognizable or non-cognizable? Correct answer is option C, that is officer in charge of station. Question number 72. Who is the in charge of police outpost under the UP Police Regulations? Options are head constable, station writer, circle inspector, inspector. Correct answer is head constable. Question number 73. Under para 221 of UP Police Regulation, who has the power to expunge the name of the offender from absconded register? Options are district superintendent of police, district magistrate, chief judicial magistrate, home minister of state. Correct answer is district magistrate. Under para 221 of UP Police Regulation has the power to expunge the name of offender from absconded register. Question number 74. In which case the Supreme Court struck down section 303 of IPC unconstitutional? This is very important case and has been asked in various examination. Correct answer is Mittu Singh versus State of Punjab. In this section 303 of IPC was held to be unconstitutional. Question number 75. In an appeal against acquittal in absence of privity in judgment and order interference, the Supreme Court, while exercise its extraordinary jurisdiction, is warranted. In 2011, in which case it was held in the court? Correct answer is Mrinal Das versus State of Tripura. Question number 76. What is not necessary to constitute an offence of criminal conspiracy? Options are 2 or more persons. 2 or more persons are necessary to constitute an offence of criminal conspiracy. 5 or more persons. 5 or more persons are not necessary to form criminal conspiracy. And other options, if we see agreement to cause illegal act, yes, illegal act is the essential requirement for criminal conspiracy, and if act is not crime, to do some act in pursuance of the agreement. This is also the right answers. In this question it has been asked which is not the necessary constituent. So 5 or more person is not the necessary constituent, therefore option B is the correct answer. Now let us proceed to question number 77. Acts which come in the category of culpable homicide not amounting to murder are mentioned in which section of IPC? Correct answer is section 299 and 300. Question number 78. A puts jewels in a box belonging to B with the intention that they may be found in that box, and this circumstances may cause B to be convicted of theft. A has committed the offence of under which section of IPC given below? A has committed the offence of section 192, which says that fabricating false evidence. Question number 79. The word illegal is applicable to everything which is an offence which is prohibited by law, furnishing ground for civil action. Yes, correct answer is option D. Illegal is applicable as an offence prohibited by law, civil action. Question number 80. Delivery of property. Delivery of property occurs in extortion. Taking of property. Taking of property is theft. Entrustment of property. Entrustment of property is related to criminal breach of trust. Convertibility of proper got innocently to one's own use, it is criminal misappropriation. Correct answer is option B. Question number 81. Expression unsoundness of mind has not been defined in IPC and has mainly been treated as equivalent to insanity. An accused who seeks exoneration from liability of any act under section 84 of IPC is to prove legal insanity and not medical insanity. It was held by the Supreme Court in which of the following case? Correct answer is Surendra Mishra versus State of Jharkhand. Question number 82. X drives very fast through a crowded road to catch a flight knowing that his act all probability may cause death. Y is killed by his vehicle. X is guilty of options are culpable homicide not amounting to murder, murder, grievous act, negligence. Correct answer is murder. X will be guilty of murder. Question number 83. A party may put any question to a witness called by it as its pleasure with the permission of the court with the consent of the opposite party, none of the above. Correct answer is option B, that is with the permission of the court. Question number 84. Oral evidence must be direct, indirect, circumstantial, all of the above. Oral evidence must be direct. Question number 85. State of UP versus 𝐲𝐻 Upadhyay is concerned with conspiracy, confession, estoppel, presumption. Correct answer is confession. Question number 86. Which section of Evidence Act deals with accomplice? Section 133 deals with the accomplice. Question number 87. Which section of Evidence Act deals with the primary evidence? Correct answer is section 62. Section 62 deals with the primary evidence. Question number 88. What are the questions which are lawful in cross-examination? Options are to test his veracity, to discover who he is, to take his credit by injuring the character, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 89. The statement of a witness based on the information received from others is inadmissible. Which of the following option is not correct? Here it is asked which is not correct. Options are because the person giving such evidence does not feel any responsibility, because the truth is diluted and diminished, because there is ample scope of playing fraud. All the options are correct. Therefore, the option D, none of the above, will be the right answer in this question. Question number 90. Which of the following section of Evidence Act recognize the principle that hearsay evidence is no evidence? Correct answer is section 60. Section 60 of Indian Evidence Act talks about the oral evidence, and oral evidence must be the direct evidence. And section 64 is proof of documents by primary evidence. Question number 91. List 1 subject matter and list 2 section of Indian Evidence Act. We have to match the following. Indecent and scandalous question. Correct match will be section 151. Impeaching credit of witness. Correct answer is section 155. Question intended to insult or annoy. Correct match is section 152. Question by party to his own witness. This is section 154. Therefore, according to the given matches, the correct option will be option D. Question number 92. Provisions relating to estoppel are given in chapter 8 of the Indian Evidence Act. Question number 93. Which chapter of UP regulations provide provisions for regulating and surveillance of bad characters? Correct answer is chapter 20. Question number 94. The UP Police Amendment Act 1939 came into force on 1st January 1939, 1st May 1939, 1st July 1939, 1st March 1939. The UP Police Amendment Act 1939 came into force on 1st January 1939. Question number 95. How many categories of history sheets are made in the UP Police regulations? Correct answer is 2 categories. Question number 96. In which of the following sections of Police Act 1981 the provisions for a special police force has been made? Options are section 17, section 16, section 14, section 15. Correct answer is section 17. Question number 97. Which section of Police Act 1861 has not been repealed? Correct answer is section 37, and others are repealed. 38, 39 and 40 are repealed. Therefore, 37 is the correct answer. Question number 98. A village chowkidar is appointed by, this is a question has been asked in again and again. Village chowkidar is appointed by the district magistrate. Question number 99. Provisions to depute additional force in the neighborhood of railway and public other works is given under the Police Act. Correct answer is section 14. Question number 100. A police officer shall be at liberty to resign his office unless he shall given to his superior officer notice in writing for a period. Options are not less than 3 months, not less than 1 month, not less than 2 months, not less than 6 months. Correct answer is not less than 2 months. Question number 101. Who is the officer in charge of the Reserve Police Line under the UP Police regulations? In Reserve Police Line, the Reserve Inspector will be the in charge. Correct answer is option C. Question number 102. Under which provision of CRPC a court may convert summon case into a warrant case? Correct answer is section 259 of CRPC. Question number 104. To what facts of the following the rules of relevancy has been discussed under section 8 of Indian Evidence Act? Options are motive, preparation, previous or subsequent conduct, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. Question number 105. In the case of kidnapping and rape, the evidence given by prosecution being illiterate and rustic young women, some contradictions and omissions are natural as her recollection, memory, observance and narration of chain of events. It has been held by the Supreme Court in 2011 in the case of, options are Manoj Yadav versus Pushpa, State of UP versus Chote Lal, Madhu Verma versus Urmila Devi, and D. Lakhan Lal versus State of Bihar. Correct answer is State of UP versus Chote Lal. Question number 106. A person suffering from any mental disorder can be exempted from criminal liability ipso facto. cannot be exempted at all, can be exempted from such liability at the discretion of the court, can be exempted from such liability on proof by expert evidence to this effect. This is the right answer. Therefore, option D will be the question number 107. Evidence obtained by undesirable means is admissible if it is otherwise relevant. The court said so in Pushpa Devi M. Jetta versus M.L. Vadhva, Harprasad versus Shivdayal, Kalpanath Rai versus State of Maharashtra, Raun versus State of Maharashtra. Correct answer is Pushpa Devi M. Jetta versus M.L. Vadhva. Question number 108. Assertion. The testimony of elative and interested witness may be relied upon by the court. Mere relationship does not by itself discredit the testimony of witness. This is also correct. Therefore, the option A, that is both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A is correct. Answer with the help of code. Handwriting may be proved. Evidence of the writer himself, opinion of expert, evidence of the person acquainted with handwriting, the code under section 73 of Evidence Act. Here all the options, that is evidence of the writer himself, opinion of the expert, and evidence of the persons acquainted with handwriting and the code under section 73 of Act, all the given options with related to handwriting may be proved. Therefore, all the options are correct. Question number 110. The facts showing the existence of any state of mind under section 14 of Indian Evidence Act relates to intention, knowledge, good faith, all of these. Correct answer is option D, that is all of these. Question number 111. Photocopies of a document made from the original are primary evidence, secondary evidence, hearsay evidence. None of the above is correct. Correct answer is secondary evidence. Question number 112. Which one of the following case related to dying declaration? Options are Mehboob Shah versus King Emperor, Queen versus Abdullah, Kotaya versus King Emperor, MC Varghese versus Ponnik. Correct answer is Queen versus Abdullah. Queen versus Abdullah is a leading case related to dying declaration. Question number 130. Which of the following section relates to secondary evidence? Options are section 60, section 80, section 63, section 62. Secondary evidence is related to section 63. Question number 114. Relevancy of expert evidence for the purpose of Evidence Act is contained in section 10 to 20, section 35 to 40, section 45 to 48, section 59 to 60. Correct answer is section 45 to 48. Question number 115. Under which section of the Evidence Act provisions for presumption as to gazettes in electronic forms has been made? Correct answer is section 81A. Question number 116. A kills B. A is charged for murder. In this case, the burden of proof is on the state. Correct answer is state. Question number 117. Contents of electronic records are proved in accordance with the provision of section 65, section 64A of Evidence Act, section 67A of Evidence Act, section 65B of Evidence Act. Correct answer is section 55B of Evidence Act. Question number 118. Which of the following statement is wrong? If a person forcibly resists the endeavor to arrest him, the police officer may use all the means necessary to effect the arrest, cause the death of such person irrespective of the offence he has committed, cause the death of such person accused of murder, cause the death of such persons accused of culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Here the correct answer is option B, that is cause the death of such persons irrespective of the offence he has committed. This will be the wrong statement and other options are correct. Question number 119. Under which provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure a court at any stage of trial may recall and re-examine any person already examined? Correct answer is section 311. Question number 120. Under which section of Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 the term offence has been defined? Correct answer is section 2N. Question number 121. Bailable offence means an offence which is shown as bailable in the first schedule of CRPC. Question number 122. Under the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, the classification of compoundable and non-compoundable offences as provided in section 320 of CRPC. The classification of compoundable and non-compoundable has been provided. Question number 123. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Information cognizable cases section 154 CRPC, arrest by magistrate section 44 CRPC, content of charge section 211 of CRPC, trial more than one offence section 218 of CRPC. This is not correctly matched, therefore this will be the correct answer. Question number 124. The Supreme Court has issued guidelines while effecting the arrest of a subordinate judicial officer in the following case. Correct answer is Delhi Judicial Service Association versus State of Gujarat. Question number 125. Under section 29 of the CRPC, second class magistrate can pass sentence up to 1 year. Question number 126. Which of the following is not an essential element of FIR? It is an information given to the police officer. Information must relate to cognizable offence. It is an information first in point of time. Information may relate to any offence whether cognizable or non-cognizable. No, it should be written, it should be of cognizable offense. That's why option D is not an essential element of FIR. Therefore, the D, which is asked, not essential element of FIR, will be the right answer. Question number 127. A declaration of forfeiture under section 95 of the CRPC can be set aside by Court of Session, High Court, Chief Judicial Magistrate, the magistrate issuing search warrant. Correct answer is High Court. Question number 128. The power to grant anticipatory bail under section 438 CRPC vests with the power to grant anticipatory bail vests with the Session Court as well as the High Court. Therefore, option D is the right answer. Question number 129. In case of an offence triable summarily, which one of the following sentence can be passed? Not exceeding 3 months. This is the right answer. Question number 130. A judicial magistrate may authorize the detention of an accused in a police custody for maximum 15 days. Question number 131. Which of the following section of CRPC relate to the legal aid of the accused? Options are section 302, section 304, section 306, section 308. Correct answer is section 304. Question number 133. Answer with the help of quotes. Assertion. Word wife includes divorced wife. Reason. Domestic relationship means in the nature of marriage. Options are both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true but R is false, and option D, A is false but R is true. Here the correct answer is option A, that is both the statements are true and also they are the explanation of each other. 134. A has knowledge that her husband B has committed murder, knowingly conceals B in order to screen him from legal punishment. A is liable for murder by reason, knowing, common intention, harboring, abetment by aid. A has committed no offense. Here, as they both are the wife and husband, therefore A has committed no offense. Question number 135. All murder is culpable homicide, but all culpable homicide is not murder. This statement has been given by Justice Sharifuddin. Question number 136. A picked up a revolver and, believing it to be loaded, pulled a trigger with the criminal intention of shooting B dead. Fortunately, the revolver was not loaded and B escaped unhurt. A has committed the offense of attempt to murder. A police officer tortures B in order to induce B to confess that he committed a crime. Under which section of IPC the police officer is guilty of an offense? Under section 330. Question number 138. Information Technology Act 2008 has made amendments in the following sections of IPC. Section 463, Section 466 and Section 477A. A and B both are correct, only B is correct. Here A and B both are correct, that is Section 463, Section 466 and Section 477A. Information Technology Act 2000 has made amendments in this section. Question number 139. A commits theft of property in B's possession, and while committing this theft he has a loaded pistol under the garment kept for the purpose of hurting B in case B should resist. The offense committed by A is defined under which section of IPC? It is defined under section 382 of IPC. Question number 140. The principle of proximity of crime under criminal law is irrelevant while deciding the liability for the offense of abetment and conspiracy. Question number 141. A, being executed to the will of a deceased person, dishonestly disobeys the law which directs him to divide the effects according to the will and appropriates them to his own use. Which offense A has committed? A has committed offense of criminal breach of trust. Question number 142. Assault in order to outrage the modesty of women is punishable under section 554 of IPC. Question number 143. Under which section of CRPC offences falling under section 376 and section 376A to D, IPC as far as possible are to be tried by a woman presiding judge? Correct answer is section 26 clause A. Question number 144. Under which section of CRPC an arrested person is to be examined by the government medical officer immediately after such arrest? In section 54. Question number 145. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court held that except in those cases where there are reasonable grounds for believing that a person accused of an offence punishable with death or life imprisonment has been guilty for such offence, in all other cases non-bailable offences, judicial discretion shall always exercised by the court in favour of granting bail? Correct answer is here Gurucharan Singh versus State Delhi Administration. This is the correct answer. Question number 146. A proclaimed person whose property has been attached can claim the property or the sale proceeds on appearance within 2 years of attachment. Question number 147. In which of the following cases it was held that the amount awarded to section 125 CRPC for maintenance was adjustable against the alimony amount awarded in the matrimonial proceeding under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 and was not to be given over and above the same. Here the correct answer is Sandeep Chaudhary versus Radha Chaudhary. Question number 148. Which of the following cases are related to the section 144 of CRPC? State of Karnataka versus Praveen Togadia is related to section 144 of CRPC. Question number 149. Which one of the following cases is related to anticipatory bail? Joginder alias Jindi versus State of Haryana is related to anticipatory bail. Question number 150. What is the maximum time limit has been fixed by the Supreme Court in Subramaniam Swamy versus Dr. Manmohan Singh case in which the government must give sanction for the prosecution of public servant covered by CRPC and Prevention of Corruption Act 1988? 4 months is the correct answer.